Humber faculty and staff welcome students to in-person and online classes beginning on September 8th. Humber continues to offer high-quality education, and while the term is a little different, the services and sense of community are as strong as ever. Orientation was conducted online and included opportunities to virtually meet faculty and fellow classmates. We also held virtual events for students throughout Welcome Month, including mix and mingles, workshops, and information sessions on everything from making friends online to tips and tricks for using Blackboard. On-campus staff and students became familiar with the new health and safety protocols put in place to keep our community safe. Those working and learning on campus have been able to access some services in person and others online. Humber Athletics began a pilot project to gradually reopen fitness facilities, beginning with access for students living in residence and on-campus staff. In the weeks ahead, staff will evaluate what comes next. And that's your Humber Update. For more news, visit humber.ca/today.